Hello guys and welcome back to Foot Talks. Biggest news for today is the open letter, the public letter Zidane sent yesterday to Dairos AS in Spain. He had stayed silent since leaving on media and on social media, but he come up with a public letter and explaining pretty much reason why he left the club. In my opinion, one reason that he felt lack of support from the board, especially from the board members. So let's don't waste time and get started. So first, Zinedine Zidane said the coach's careers today in major clubs will be 2 seasons, not much longer. In order to last longer, human relationships are necessary. This is more important than money, than fame, than everything. And he said, I left but I never jumped off the board and never got tired of training. In May 2018, I left because after 2.5 years of victories and so many titles, I felt the team needed a new speech to stay on top. And he added, but today things are different. I'm leaving because I feel the club is no longer giving me the confidence I need. Zidane said, I have built relationships on a daily basis with everyone at the club. I was born to be a winner and I was here to win titles. But there are humans and emotions and lives, and I have a feeling that these things weren't taken care of. Even somehow I was blamed. Zidane also discussed the sack news which offended him. He said, it was so painful when I read in the press that I was subject to being sacked upon certain defeats. The news that I would be fired if I lost an upcoming match offended me and the entire team. And Zidane also added that I spent 20 years in Real Madrid and it is most beautiful thing that has ever happened to me in my life, and I know that I owe it to Florentino Perez. And he has also added that I have always felt that there is something very special between us. I have had the great honor of being a player and coach for the most important club in history, but above all, I am just a Madridista like all of you. And he said, it is good that I have some wonderful guys who were with me to till the end. When things got worse, they saved me with great victories because they believe in me and knew that I believe in them. And he also added, of course, I am not the best coach in the world, but I am able to give the strength and confidence that everyone needs in their work, whether it's for the players or workers. Magical words for Madridistas. And in the end, Zizou thanked every club supporter and he said, Dear Madridistas, I will always be one of you. Hala Madrid, the end. That's it from the Zizou's letter. I have tried to point out main topics, statements. Until next time, Hala Madrid.